Ah, it's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan, Green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye! That's right, Mechanicals. Let's get the garage nice and clean. Oh, sounds like we've got a customer. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck, who doesn't look very happy. A wobbly tooth? That's nothing to worry about, Baby Truck. When it falls out, you can place it under your pillow and you get a gold coin. Oh no! Baby Truck sneezed her wobbly tooth away. Oh, don't worry, we'll find it. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ugh, yuck! Sorry, Green. That's not a tooth. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Watch it, Yellow! Oh, we've searched the whole garage and there's no sign of Baby Truck's tooth anywhere. Oh. Just a minute. There's one place we haven't looked. In Blue's feather duster. Aha! Here you go, Baby Truck. Now get home and put it under your pillow. And we'll see you soon for more exciting adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Achoo! Blue! Blue, where are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh, we'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing box! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, Yellow, fetch a blanket.
I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh! Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew! You saved the day, Blue! Hooray for our hero! Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old. Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby! What are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that. But we need to be quiet. Huh? Oh. Phew, that was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just Hello everyone! It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello Max! Go, go Mechanicals! Yellow! No! Yellow's gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, Blue and Red. Hey. Spinning screwdrivers! Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, Baby Truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye! Hello everyone, it's Green's birthday and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Fire Truck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona. Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in! Oh! We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons, Green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please? It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, Mechanicals! Nice work, Mechanicals! And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you. Hooray! Where's all this mess come from? Oh, Mr. Weasel, are you okay?
nearly made Vicky the fastest ice cream truck in the world, but she jetted off before I could have an ice cream.
We have to stop Vicky before she causes any more damage. Here she comes. Ready, Blue? Blue, quick, hit the off button. Oh, phew! Well done, Blue.
I still haven't had my ice cream. Oh!
Oh,
I hate rockets.
come on, Mechanicals. Let's go and check he's okay. See you again soon. Bye! There you go, Eric. All better now. What was that? Oh, it's Max, the monster truck. He shouldn't be playing here. Construction sites are dangerous. Look at all the mess Max is causing. Oh no, Max has run out of fuel. We've got to get him out before that concrete dries. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch the spare fuel. Oh dear, that concrete will be hard in less than a minute. Oh! Huh? Oh, how on earth are we going to get the extra fuel over to Max? Oh, Eric's made a bridge! Oh, 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 oh. The concrete's almost set. Go, Max, go! Looks like Max has learned his lesson. Thanks, Max. Another panic over. See you next time. Bye!
Hello, hello. Is that someone we know? Do you think it's Gecko in Halloween disguise? Hello, hello. Yes, it's someone you know. Look, it's your friend Gecko in Halloween disguise. Just a second, what's that noise? Listen, can you hear? Oh no, there it goes again. Did you just hear it too? The spooky wooky sound is frightening me, yellow and blue. Hello, hello. Are you someone we know? Scaring blue and yellow in Halloween disguise. Wait a minute, I've just heard the noise. It came from Blue. Some oil will fix that spooky noise, so that's what we will do. Hello, hello, are you someone we know? Trick or treating Gecko in Halloween disguise.
Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye.